All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Exto here and welcome to Temporal Sequence. This is what the module will look like. You'll have a digital clock in the middle, 4 coloured lights above it, an hour's dial and a minute's dial, and a stage counter. Stage counter of course implying this is a boss module, hence why I've loaded up some tool mods to advance the stages. So first we're going to note down this time, and on each cell we're going to note down how much the time changed and what colour light above it starts flashing. So, there's not much more we can gather from this, so let's save a module. And the time increased to 10:54 and yellow started flashing. So you have yellow, and the increase in time was 1 hour and 39 minutes, I think. Could that be 45 and then like 9:54, yeah. So 1 hour 39 minutes. For the sake of this module though, I'm going to quickly convert that to just minutes. So maybe just 60 plus 39, so that'd be 99 minutes. Because in this case, look, it requires the advanced time, and in these calculations, it's more often not easy to use minutes and then convert back to hours and minutes afterwards.
Emergency cleared. All personnel.
At least for me, that's what I think. But if you can do it with hours and minutes, that probably will help. Anyway, so we've now noted down what we need for this stage. So let's have another module. We still have a blinking yellow, and the increased time. Actually, noting down the time will help because you need to do it from the previous time you had. So from 10:54 to 12:14. Well, since the minutes is lower, even though it looks like 2 hours has passed, only 1 hour must have passed. And then adding 10 minutes would take us up to 12:04. So it'll be 1 hour 20 minutes. Or 80. And let's quickly note down this time. So no module. We're flashing red. Let's note down the time first to keep consistent. Red, and then the increased time. Again, it looks like 2 hours has passed, but since the minutes is lower, we're going to note down 1 hour. And then we have 60 would be an hour, but it's that minus the difference between 14 and 3. So 60 minus 14 plus 3. I think that means it's 1 hour and 49 minutes. Does that make sense? The 9 does make sense with the number from 4 to 3. So we would have 14 plus 49 would be 63. We minus 60. So we get an hour and 3 minutes. Which, yeah, I think will make sense. Because adding 49 to 14 here took us up to 13:03. And then we need the extra hour. Okay. continuing on, we have 15:12. We have blue, and the increased time could be 1 hour and 9 minutes. We're going to convert these to minutes for now. 49 plus 60 is 109. 1 hour and 9 minutes is 69 minutes. We're going to a new line here. And the final stage will be green. Time is going to be 16:11, which would mean we increased by 59 minutes, I think. Because it would be 1 hour more, but 1 less than a whole hour. So it'll be 59 minutes, yeah. So, now we have all the stages. When we solve this one, we can see it returns back to 9:15. Now we're going to alter the times that these changed and submit a new sequence of times. So, let's calculate them using this table here. So for yellow, which will be the first two here, we'll take the advanced time. So say for the first case we have 99. We're going to subtract 31 minutes times the number of indicators, which is 1. And then we're going to subtract a whole hour, it's minus 60. Which the first stage is going to be plus 8 minutes. That's going to be quite an easy one. In the off chance, you can see for this one, for instance, it says something about, yeah. If at any point you get a negative duration, eliminate negative sign. So basically just take the absolute value of the time. And if the time exceeds 24 hours, basically just modulo 24 hours. So, our next yellow is here. Basically we're just going to be replacing the 99 with an 80 here. Because that's the only thing that changed between the two. So we have minus 11, which would actually be plus 11 minutes. And next we have red. I'm glad I actually got all of the different things here. For red, be careful in this one. We're going to have the advanced time, 109, plus 23 times the amount of unsolved modules at the time that was solved. So we have 7 modules here. So we solved this one to get this stage, this one to get this stage, and this one to get this stage. Meaning we would have had 4 unsolved ones. So that's going to be times 4. So we're going to actually be adding 201 minutes. Next up we have the blue stage. We're going to take 47 minutes, multiplied by the largest serial digit, which is 8, minus the time that was advanced for that, 69. So 307. And finally, we have the green stage. We're going to take the advanced time, which is 59 minutes, add that to 16 times the amount of port types and battery holders. So that's going to be port types, which is, I think that's going to be 3. I'm hoping I don't strike on that. If not, I'm just going to know it's 4. Plus battery holders, 2. And then adding on an extra hour. So hopefully that's 199. If not, 215. I'm just going to note that here. So now we have our times. It might be useful to figure out what those times will be to make submission a little quicker. So 9:15 plus 8 minutes will be 9:23, followed by plus 11 minutes, 9:34, plus 201 minutes, let's compare that to hours and minutes, that's 3 hours and 21 minutes. So the 21 minutes will take it to 55. Yeah. And then the 3 hours, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12:55. Next we have 307, which is going to be 5 hours and 7 minutes. So that's going to be plus 5 hours is 17. Yes, 17. But then the 7 is going to carry over this into 62. So it's going to be 18:02. And then finally we have hopefully 119, which is 3 hours. I'm going to take this bit. 19 minutes. There'll be 21 plus 19 minutes to that is 21, I think. So now pressing this H button will increase the hours, pressing the minutes button will increase the minutes. You can hold down, there's a button you can hold down. Hold Alt. So you can press the Alt button to cycle the times a little quicker. This first one doesn't really matter because so this is our first time. And if you hear the beep 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 sound, that means you got that stage right. So next 9:34. Then 12:55. Then 18:02. And hopefully 21:21. so we get a zero module. So that was temporal sequence. It's an interesting module in the case that you had to submit different times than what you were shown by altering the amount of minutes. And quite an interesting idea, to be honest. But hopefully you understand how this works now. And we also found out that port types means unique port types. So if you have two RCAs, that only counts as one port type. So hopefully you understand how temporal sequence works now. And I see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.